Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Kampo yang berim ubadir unong aiktian ke National People's Party James PK Sangma hagas ngining kong katayo ulong ubala Kloi ban shim ke jingkit kle ban mikmat de ke Meghalaya Rajya Sabha Lada ke parti bat ki Paidbah ke Jylla ki Ibit dia bon shim ke ni ke benta haga juga por James ula pensyai bagi jingkran ke parti ki shulong tang ke jing muddur Namal bagi jinglong MP Dr. WR Kharluki Rajya Sabha kampat kut bat ke samoi trikam Dr. Kharluki kan kut haka arpoi tarik ubnai Jylla. Dr. Kharluki uba mikmat dek NPP ula dat penpau ba ubdan jingtmu syuk ban mikmat biang haka samoi ke baar namal ula penpau ba ukwa ban syong that no haka kam san berthei bat aila dek inong ilam badang kam samla ban jam syakmat. Kejingkran jung kala penmi ke jingkran hagi seng sign berthei bala James Sangma ne ke MP berim ketura na ke NPP ka agatha Sangma kila ban syak jet ikate ke Shuki. Haba bataya ka kam kum ke bedang sateng James Sangma ulong bakarai ke syongbet hakinong yalam ke parti. Hakani ke kenti ke detang ke jingya antat lada ke Seng ke syanya yang nak benda ke nu ke jingket kle ngakloi ban pedang ya ke nu ke kam baka Seng ke sngodei ulong.
I think that the election and the tenure of Dr. Kharluki is yet to come to an end. So I think that it's, as you're rightly using the word speculation, there can only be speculation for now. But only thing I would like to say is that if the party were to give me any kind of responsibility, I'm willing to take up any assignment or any responsibility that the party may so deem necessary or fit for me.
But talks are there that you will be the right choice for this position?
I'm very grateful to those people who are, mentioning that I'm the right person for this assignment. But having said that, as I said, that, I've never shied away from any assignment or any responsibility. And, if the party so feels and if the people of the state so feel, yes, I will be deeply honored.
Okay. So,